Our previous video describes steps 1 to 3 of how to appeal a decision about Social Security Disability Insurance, called SSDI, or Supplemental Security Income, called SSI. This video describes steps 4 to 6. Step 4. Communicate with the Disability Determination Service. In Vermont, once the Social Security Administration gets your appeal, they send it to the Vermont Disability Determination Service, or DDS. DDS reviews your medical conditions and whether you can work. It's very important to keep in touch with DDS. They work for the state of Vermont, but they report to Social Security. They can decide that you should win your case without a hearing, but they can also close your appeal if you don't answer their letters or give them the documents they need. Within 2 weeks of submitting your appeal, DDS will send you a letter with their contact information and a form you must complete and send back within 10 days. This form is called the Function Report. It asks for details about how your medical conditions affect your ability to work and live independently. Focus on how your conditions restrict what you can do. DDS may ask you to meet with a medical provider, or they may interview you. Keep them informed of upcoming medical appointments and changes in medicines or treatments. Step 5. Get a decision or get ready for your hearing. After DDS reviews your case, you'll get a notice from either DDS or Social Security. They can do one of 3 things. Issue a fully favorable decision, which means you win. Issue a partially favorable or unfavorable decision, or send you to a hearing with a disability hearing officer. You have the right to a hearing if you were getting a benefit before. If you've been waiting more than 90 days from when you finished your appeal to get a decision or a hearing, you can ask your local Social Security office about your case or contact one of Vermont's representatives in Congress. Their staff may be able to help. To prepare for a hearing with a disability hearing officer, plan your witnesses and evidence. For example, maybe you have a friend or relative who Social Security hasn't heard from, or maybe there are new test results or new letters from medical providers. The hearing is a chance to talk about why you can't work and why you need the benefit. Sometimes this is more effective than the information in your file. Arrive for your hearing early and bring a support person if you want. If you filled out an appointment of representative form, that person can help you explain yourself in the hearing. Step 6. Understand the decision and your options. You'll get a letter with a decision about your appeal. If you get a fully favorable decision, you won. The letter will tell you the date Social Security will award you unpaid benefits. If you get an unfavorable or partially favorable decision, the letter will tell you which parts of your appeal were denied and why. If you disagree with this decision, you have the right to go to the next level of appeal. You have 60 days from the date of the letter to ask for an appeal to an administrative law judge, or ALJ. Many people get a better decision in an ALJ appeal. If you were already getting an SSI or SSDI benefit, you still have 60 days to appeal to the next level. But if you want to keep getting benefits while Social Security reviews your appeal, you must appeal within 10 days of the date on the notice. Appealing to an ALJ is more complicated than a first-level appeal. Ask us for advice or a referral for help. Be sure to watch our video on steps 1 to 3 of this process. Review the detailed roadmap on our website, and contact us if you have questions.